Can you imagine a picture like this, making the associated digital currency ape take a roller coaster in ride in just a few hours? This collage of images featuring monkeys is the base that has swept the NFT world. Hurry up, long 30% position of ape with 100 times leverage. On 6 p.m. of May 4th, Richard excitedly completed an ape investment. Just now, Musk changed his Twitter avatar to Basie. And while many people cheered for Musk to join the Basie family, Richard keenly smelled a hint of opportunity. At the time he clicked on the digital currency trading pair Ape USDT, the price had already experienced a dramatic round of pulling up, breaking through the 14.85 recent high. Let's go ape! There are a few people like Richard, not to mention that Musk is already a well-known influencer in the financial circle with 91 million fans. More and more people are joining the crypto trading hype. The market repeatedly showed an upward trend after just a few minutes fluctuated at 15 USDT. 10 minutes later, ape price broke through the resistance of 16 USDT. This kind of situation not only stirred the digital currency circle, Dogecoin holders and many others caught wind of the move and rushed over. Sellout. Ape price fluctuated at 16.5 USDT after only 3 minutes, continued to start rising. In 5 minutes, the price rose and broke through 17 USDT and then continued to pull up towards 17.2 USDT, which seems unlikely to break through. The price began to fall back sharply. After fell below 16.5 USDT, Richard said sell out. However, 3 minutes later, Richard regretted. Ape price stabilized at 16.3, began to pull up sharply and again returned to 17.2 USDT. At this time, Richard's reluctant expression betrayed his remorse brought about by selling too early. However, the story did not go smoothly. You are not the owner. Michael Buhana, head of digital art at Sotheby's, tweeted, "As much as I admire you, I hope you delete the collage headshot I created for the Sotheby's auction, or if you cite the source, I would be happy to send you the original file with the buyer's permission." It turns out that the headshot Musk replaced was a collage created for Basie auction on Sotheby's official website, and he is not the owner of that NFT. Nevertheless, Ape's rise hasn't stopped there, and the price has pulled up to around 17.65 USDT. In the meanwhile, more fans still pouring in. With the buying frenzy, many institutions are also accumulating bearish contact positions at an alarming rate. I don't know, seems kind of fungible. As the dislike of Musk to Buhana's tweet spread, Ape again backtested. It started to plummet to 16.4 USDT a few minutes later. I still got 17 USDT left to sell. I made a profit. That's right. Oh my god, no. After Richard and many investors experienced such a crazy 4 hours, Lee, who doesn't understand digital currency, only just figured out the concept of NFT. And he was even more confused after the crossing swords between Buhana and Musk. The biggest event for the capital circle in April 2022 was Musk's acquisition of Twitter. So will this investment circle bloodbath triggered by a monkey avatar today also become a big event in May? The answer may be no. The world of cryptocurrencies like this are played out every day. Sounds crazy, right? But there's no doubt that it is charming.